Fine, let me enter to the problem number 22. It is also a simplification problem, right? You know that is a Badmas rule, right? Badmas rule. Half means what? Division, multiplication before division, correct? Multiplication before division, you should remember this. Now the question is what? If 2 by 3 of 70% of 600 when subtracted from a number is 320, what is that number? First of all, let us find this. That is, what is that? 2 by 3 half means what? Into 70%. I can write like this: 70 by 100 into 600. Again half means. So that way let us find out. So this will cancel 6. Right, now what happens? Now again simplify it. 3 ones are 3 twos are. What is the answer you got now? So 72s are 140, 142s are 280. Correct? This is what, when you simplify, you will get this. 2070 into 2. That is nothing but 280. What they asked, this when this 2 by 3 of 70% of 600 when subtracted from a number. So the number, let the number be x minus, right? How much it is? 280. 280. How you got? That is 2 by 3 of 70% of 600 is equal to 320. Right, that's it. Now transfer this side. X is equal to, minus will become plus. So 320 plus 280. So x is equal to 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. X is 600. The answer here is 600.